The edit page is designed to be easy and intuitive for new users, yet powerful enough to give professional editors all the tools and control they need. To create a new project, select a new project, then give a name to it. Plain click on Create Now and your project is ready. Getting files into Davinci Resolve is as easy as dragging and dropping. The media pool at the top left of the screen contains all of the clips in your project. To get started, simply find the files you want to import on your hard drive, drag them into the media pool and start editing. You can customize your project settings here. Watch your footage here. Create a new folder or bin for your videos right here in Media Pool and select New Bin and give the name. You can use drag and drop your media in that bin. Marking clips using in and out points lets you define the portion of the clip you want to use in the edit. Double-click a clip to load it into the source viewer on the left. Drag the playhead to the frame you want, then click the in and out buttons at the bottom right corner of the viewer to mark the start and end points of the clip. You can also use the I and O keyboard shortcuts for a faster workflow. You can drag and drop clips directly into the timeline or the timeline viewer on the right, where you will see an overlay with editing options. The edit overlay gives you instant access to the most popular types of edits, letting you quickly choose between insert, override, replace. Insert. Inserts a clip into the timeline at the location of the playhead and pushes everything else down to make room for it. If the playhead is in the middle of a clip, it will split the clip and place the new clip in the middle. Overwrite. The overwrite edit is one of the most common types of edits. When you perform an overwrite, it will place a new clip on the timeline at the location of the playhead, writing over whatever clip or clips were there before. Replace. Replaces a single clip on the timeline with one of the exact same length. The out point of the clip you are editing into the timeline will be changed so it fits perfectly, making it the same duration as the one it replaces. Automatically trim and tighten. Trimming lets you adjust the timing between clips so you can fine-tune your edit. The Smart Trim tool automatically switches between ripple, roll, and slip. A roll trim works on both the left and right sides of an edit at the same time. While one side is shortened, the other side is extended by the same number of frames, so the overall length of your timeline remains the same. Rippling will extend or shorten the beginning or end of a clip. When you ripple an edit point, everything to the right of the edit is pushed down the timeline or pulled in order to accommodate the clip's new duration. Slip. Slipping changes the portion of a clip that you see in the timeline by moving its in and out points. The white outline shows the full source clip duration, so you can fine-tune it without affecting the surrounding edit. Transitions and Effects Library. The Effects Library has extensive broadcast quality transitions and special effect plugins. Simply click the Effects Library icon at the top left of the page to open it. Select the effect you want and drag it onto a clip in the timeline or onto the cut point between clips when adding transitions. Transition duration can be changed by dragging the edges of the transition in the timeline or by changing it in the inspector at the top right. There are a lot of effects and transition plugins in software that you can use in your edit. (2D and 3D titles). To create 2D or 3D titles, open the effect library at the top left of the screen, find the text generator or Fusion title template you want and drag it into the timeline above your video tracks. Then use the inspector to type your text and adjust parameters such as font, size, color and more. The basic title generators let you build simple titles and lower thirds from scratch. Animate any clip or effect setting. Clip settings can be viewed in the inspector at the top right of the screen. You can change or animate any setting over the clip's duration using the diamond keyframe buttons. Simply select a clip to see its parameters, adjust a setting, click the keyframe button, move the playhead to a different frame and repeat the process. Let's see the preview of our edit. To export your video, go to Deliver panel. On the upper left corner, you can see export settings. Customize export settings here. Lastly, click on Add to Render Queue. We can give a file name and location for our video. And click Start Render. Wait until your render is done.